For this thought experiment, we will start with vessel A that contains 1,000 litres of liquid made of 900 litres of water and 100 litres of ethanol. The liquid is 10% ABV. We have been asked to distill this liquid, but we have also been set 2 targets. Target 1 is to use distillation to create a liquid that is 40% ABV or more. Target 2 is to use distillation to collect all of the ethanol from the original liquid. During the distillation, we will check in to see how we are doing against our targets. Distillation starts when the heat is turned on under vessel A. The liquid inside boils and vapours rise up. They pass through a condenser and turn back into liquid which is collected in vessel B. The very first liquid flowing off the condenser is 50% ABV. Let's make our first check-in once we have collected 1 litre of liquid in vessel B. The cumulative ABV of the liquid that has been collected at this point is 50% ABV. Against target 1 we are doing well. We have a liquid that has more than 40% ABV. Against target 2 we are not doing as well. We have only collected half a litre of the 100 litres of ethanol. Therefore, we need to carry on collecting liquid. However, there is a problem. When you look at what is left in vessel A, you can see that the ABV of the original liquid has dropped to 9.9% ABV. This has happened because we have concentrated the ethanol in the vapour. This small drop of ABV in the original liquid in vessel A will result in a drop in the ABV of the vapour, the liquid flowing off the condenser, as well as the cumulative ABV of the liquid collected in vessel B. Sometime later, the cumulative ABV of the collected liquid has fallen to 40% ABV. Let's check in again. Against target 1 we are okay, but against target 2 we are still some way from success. There is still plenty of ethanol in the original liquid. Now we can clearly see the consequence caused by the drop in the ABV in the liquid flowing off the still. It is impossible to achieve both targets. However, we still might meet target 2, so let's carry on. Several hours after the start of the distillation, let's check in for one final time. The flow from the condenser is dropped to 1% ABV, and the cumulative ABV of the collected liquid is somewhere between 25 and 30% ABV. At this point, ABV of the original liquid in vessel A has fallen to 0.08% ABV. Distillation never continues beyond this point because it is uneconomical. Let's check in for a final time. Against target 1, we have clearly failed. Against target 2, we have also failed, but we have come very close indeed. We have collected nearly all of the ethanol. In this experiment, we have shown that it is impossible to achieve both targets using only one distillation. In order to achieve both of our targets, we will need to exploit other principles and techniques, such as reflux and rectification, double pot still distillation, and rectification plates.